Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna create this look. This is a no makeup tutorial with all the affordable products. So once I have uploaded a no makeup tutorial, a lot of you guys have asked please make a video with affordable products, and yeah, you can create this kind of no makeup look using affordable products also. So if you want to know how I have created this look with all the affordable products, then keep on watching. And also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and also follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Without further ado, let's get started. So for the no makeup look, first I have already moisturized my face. Next I'm gonna go for the makeup part. So if you use a good moisturizer, you don't need a primer. Next I'm gonna move into my base. So I want a little bit of glowy face, so I'm gonna use this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Liquid Illuminator. This is quite affordable, and if you get it in discount, you can get it in really good bargain. Or you can use from the Maybelline one, but more than the Maybelline one, I like the L'Oreal one more, and it is written for the warm undertone. This is for the warm undertone, since I do have warm undertone, and it gives a very beautiful goldeny effect. So I'm gonna take a bit on my finger and apply it mostly on the highest points of my cheek. Little bit on the forehead. And if you are my skin tone, this shade is very good. It blends very nicely to my skin, you can see, but the glow is there. And also I'm gonna put it to my brow bone, slightly to my brow bone. Bridge of my nose, cupid bow, little bit on the chin. Next I'm gonna move into foundation. So I don't want to put a foundation, I like to go for a BB cream. So I'm gonna use this Nykaa Skin Genius BB cream. It is in the shade Classic Tan. This is a tad bit darker than my skin tone, so I'm gonna put it on the areas wherever I want more shadow, like these areas and these areas. And this is also quite affordable. This BB cream is very affordable. I think you get it on around $349 or something. Very good quality. Next you can go for a brush or anything. Nykaa has got a lot of brushes. I have reviewed in my yesterday's video. If you have not checked it out, go and check it out. Now you can go for beauty blender also. I like to use a beauty blender and then keep it in my purse for rest of the day. So I'm gonna use this pack beauty blender. This is also very affordable. So I'm gonna dab this foundation on all over my face. Sorry, not the foundation, the BB cream. And I am not putting a lot of product in my face. Like this, it gives a very light hint of color to my face. Next I'm gonna add some blush to my face. So I'm gonna use this Maybelline lipstick. This is the Maybelline The Reloaded Bold by Color Sensational. So this is a very beautiful color. This is Raspberry Rendezvous. It's a very beautiful pink shade, you can see, perfect for blush. So I'm gonna use a little bit of this color on the apples of my cheeks, and then I'm gonna take the same beauty blender and I'm trying to blend it. And this gives a very beautiful flash of color to your cheeks. You can see it has given a very beautiful slight hint of color. And I have made sure I put the BB cream in my contour shade because it is a little bit darker, and I have not put foundation or the BB cream near my cheeks, so the blush I put in my cheeks. Next I'm gonna take the concealer. So I'm gonna use this LA Girl Pro concealer. This is I think the best and most affordable concealer. So I'm in the shade Fawn. So I'm gonna use this concealer in all the areas wherever I have darkness. Mostly I have darkness near my mouth more than the eyes. I have darkness near my mouth, and also I have darkness in my eyelid. So I'm gonna take it for my eyelid and very little bit under my eyes, little bit near my nose. Wherever I find like I have a little bit of spots or darkness, I'm going to use this concealer. Now the best trick to get most of the coverage from this concealer is to wait for some time, to let the concealer dry for some time so that you get the most of the coverage. So I'm gonna let the concealer dry for some time near my mouth. Meantime, I'm gonna blend it using the makeup sponge for my eyelid and under my eyes. Next I'm gonna blend near my mouth. I'm gonna use very small strokes because I don't want to pick up the products. Very light-handed I'm gonna go over the concealer. Make sure to blend everything nicely. Once I have blended everything, I'm gonna move into compact powder. You can take any compact powder. I have this Maybelline Fit Me compact powder and it is in the shade True Beige. It is slightly lighter than my skin tone. So since everything is a little bit darker, so I'm gonna use this powder. So I'm gonna take this concealer brush from Nykaa. This is also very affordable. So taking this powder, I'm gonna set my under eyes. I'm gonna go very close to my under eyes. So under my eyes it creases, so I'm gonna put excess of powder there, and I like to use a smaller brush because I'm not going to put the powder on all over my face since the powder is slightly lighter than my skin tone. Next I'm gonna go over a beauty blender and try to blend everything. So the areas you find a little bit of still oily, you can take the beauty blender and take the powder, very little bit of the powder you can take, and then go on top of it. And I'm gonna keep this beauty blender with me for rest of the day. This compact powder and the beauty blender, I'm going to keep it in my purse. Next I'm gonna move into my brows. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. This is very affordable and I have the shade Ash Brown. It has everything, the tweezer, brush, 2 powders. So you have the tweezer, the small brush, and 2 color, one lighter and darker shade color and one wax also. Only thing you don't have a spoolie here, and also you have a mirror here also. So I'm gonna take this comb and I'm gonna take the lighter shade and I'm gonna go over the areas wherever it is little bit empty. And since it is a no makeup look, so I am not going overboard with my brows, means I'm not going to apply too much of product. Once brow have done, I'm gonna move into eyeshadows. I want a little bit of eyeshadow in my eyelids because my eyelids I have a lot of space there. So for eyeshadow, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow palette. This is one of the most, I think this is the most affordable eyeshadow palette and it is quite pigmented. You can use it for multi-purpose also. This is the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air eyeshadow palette and it has a very beautiful warm tone color and a cool tone color. So I'm gonna take this concealer brush from Nykaa. This is for applying it on all over my eyelid. I'm gonna take this warm tone shadow and I'm gonna go over that shadow on all over my eyelid. And also I'm gonna go on my lower lash line using the same shade. it gives a very beautiful flash of color. If you want, you can take a little bit of the orangey shade also and go on top of your eyelid. Next, I'm gonna take this angular eyeshadow brush from Nykaa, and I'm gonna take this darker shade and go very close to my lash line. I don't like to put black kajal or eyeshadow or anything black in my no makeup look. It looks a little bit harsh, so I'm gonna go close to my lash line using this darker brown shade. Any kind of darker brown shade, I like to put it near my lash line. I'm not making wing or anything, and also I'm going to put it slightly to the outer corners of my lower lash line. Next, to complete my eye makeup, I'm going to use this mascara. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl Express mascara. So I'm going to use a couple of coats of mascara. Also, this is very affordable. You get it discount also in a lot of places. You can see the difference, this one having mascara and this one not having mascara. Well, eyes are done. Next, if you want, you can take this shade to add a little bit of more blush. I don't think I need any more blush, but I am going to take this shade and using this PAC 245 brush. This is a very good brush from PAC and also quite affordable. I'm gonna slightly go over my cheekbones to add a little bit of contour there, and also I'm gonna set the BB cream that I have used. So this palette is a very good multi-purpose palette. You can use it for a lot of things. If you want, you can use this palette to contour your nose. I'm going to draw two parallel lines here, and also this has a very goldeny beautiful shade. If you want more glow to your face, you can use this. So this is a very subtle kind of glittery shade. You can see it is not too much dramatic. So I'm gonna take this shade and put it in my inner corners. If you want, you can put it in your brow bone also. And if you want extra glow to your face, you can take the same flat brush and taking the same shade, you can apply it slightly on the highest points of your cheeks, very light-handed, because you don't want bang on highlighter. See, like this, you can see you get a very beautiful glow to your face like this. Next, I'm gonna move into lips. So for lips, I'm gonna use the same lipstick that I've used for my cheeks. This is a very beautiful pink color, and same way I'm gonna use my finger to apply it on my lips. I'm gonna apply it on the center portion of my lips. Next, I'm gonna take a lip liner. This lip liner is from Color Bar. This is the Color Bar lip liner, and it is in the shade Berry Rose. It is a very beautiful pink color. So I'm gonna take this and go over on the lines of my lips, and I'm not going to go very harsh. I'm just going very lightly. And yes, this is my finished look. So yeah, I think this is how it looks. So you have a beautiful glow, little bit of color, and very slight hint of contour to your face, brows, little bit of eye makeup, and it looks very natural. Now for rest of the day, for touch up, I don't have a spray or anything. I like to use this beauty blender. This beauty blender, I made it damp, and it is going to stay damp for rest of the day. So what I like to do, it has already a little bit of foundation or the BB cream and a little bit of the concealer, and also I'm going to keep this Fit Me powder for in my purse, these two things. And it also has small mirror in it. So I'm gonna take this beauty makeup sponge and take very less of the powder and go over on the areas. Mostly it becomes oily near my mouth. This areas becomes a little bit oily if you take too much product, so it is going to look cakey. So make sure to take very little bit of the product. So this is my no makeup look with all the affordable products. So This is one of the best thing I think you need to have in your purse or in your vanity. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.